Alexander woke up with a smile, excited for a fantastic day ahead. But alas, it seemed like something was wrong, as he stumbled over his socks. "Oh, no," he groaned. "Today just can't go right." At breakfast, his favorite cereal was gone, replaced by something he didn't like. Alexander's tummy felt quite funny as he tried to swallow his bite. "This is turning out to be a terrible, horrible, no good, very bad day," he moaned. On the way to school, he tripped on a rock and scraped his knee. The bus arrived late, making him miss his favorite seat. "I'm absolutely certain," he thought, "that today will never improve." In school, he spilled his milk during lunch and got a note from the teacher. His friends were playing tag without him, and he felt quite the leaver. "I'm sure that today can't get any worse," he thought, "but I guess I'll see." After school, he tried to ride his bike, but it had a flat tire. He tried to fix it, but only made it worse, and started crying with despair. "What a terrible, horrible, no good, very bad day," he shouted out loud. As he walked home, he heard laughter and looked around. He saw his friend Lucy, who was playing on the swing. "Why don't you join me, Alexander?" she asked, smiling and swinging. Alexander hesitated at first, but then he climbed onto the swing. He closed his eyes and pushed off, feeling the wind in his hair. His smile grew bigger as he swung higher and higher, not caring if he looked strange. He realized that no matter the day's starts, there's always something to play. His terrible, horrible, no good, very bad day turned into an amazing, wonderful, spectacular day. And so, Alexander learned that even on the worst days, there's always a way.